Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the something went wrong while attempting to sign in. So the very first solution to fix this error is to forget your password. So simply open up your Steam, click on the login option, and now here you can just simply select your account and just simply forget your password. Click on the help I cannot sign in. So by clicking on that, now you will see the option I forget my Steam account name or password. So you can just click on that option. And now here you can just simply put your email and then you can just simply forget your password. After that, your problem is fixed. And let's say if this does not fix your problem, then you can go with the next solution. Simply go to your Windows search, type settings, open it. Simply go to the time and language. And now here you will see the set the time automatically and make sure this option is on. And after that, just look for the sync now option and just click on that. Now you can just close it and just open up your Steam and your problem is fixed. And after this solution, and if your problem is not fixed, then you can go with the next solution. So you can simply just type the Steam in your search bar and you right click on it and open file location. And now here you can just simply right click on that and go to its properties. And now here you can just simply in the target just type the space login, then space no react login. So you can type here and then simply click on the apply and then simply click on the OK and then just restart your PC. After the restart, your problem is fixed. So guys, these are the three fixes to fix this error, and if these work for you, then make sure you hit the like button and also do subscribe